I don't know about you, but salt and pepper wings are one of my absolute faves. Hi everyone, my name is Shola J and today we're making some salt and pepper wings. These are so easy, yummy and delicious. Make sure to hit the like button below and comment on what recipes you want to see next. Let's get started. We're going straight in with the ginger, slicing this up and just chopping it as thin as possible. You don't have to get it fine, just as thin as you can. Now it's time to marinate the wings. I'm adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of chicken seasoning. Go in with about a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of fish sauce, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Throw in the ginger that you minced earlier. You can whisk the egg in a separate bowl. I like to save on washing, so I'm cracking it straight in there. I did add a tablespoon of garlic. Once everything is in, massage the marinade into the chicken, making sure everything is well mixed. If you're really pushed for time, let it marinate for about 2 hours. But my mum would say, Jacko wanu dada, leave it overnight to really get in there. Now that my wings have been marinating for a while, they're time to fry. I like to use potato starch. It gives your wings the crispiest coating. I've tried all the others. They just don't get the wings as crispy as potato starch. So trust me. I like my wings to have that extra crispiness to them. So I'm adding a bit more potato starch. If you like a light batter, this is totally fine. You can stop here. I just like the extra crisp. This is the consistency that I like my batter, not too runny and not too thick. So it's that perfect balance. Keep this aside, and now we're going to move on to the garnish. You just need a small bunch of spring onion. Slice this at an angle, thin as you want, as chunky as you want, it really is up to you. Then move on to the chilies and cut them in the same way. Mine aren't that spicy, they've got just the perfect amount of heat but not overbearing. Now it's time to fry. If you put the chicken wings in and the oil is too hot, this is what it's going to look like. If it does happen to you, turn the heat off and let it come down to a medium level heat, because you want your wings to cook from the inside out, not from the outside in. Now that your wings are frying, they should take about 8 to 10 minutes depending on the size of your wings to cook. You do want to turn them for 3 to 4 minutes into them frying, just so that they cook evenly. It's about 8 to 10 minutes now. The wings should be done. If they're not, leave them for a little bit longer. Use a slotted spoon, some tongs, a spider, whatever you have. Get the wings out of the oil and into a plate with some kitchen towel. You don't want the oil sitting on your wings. You need that off your wings. Now that all your wings are done, place them all in a bowl and sprinkle in your salt and pepper mix. I can't share the Afrisian secret to our salt and pepper mix, but you can find this at your local Asian supermarket, or you can make your own. It's a little bit of salt, some crushed black pepper, grinded together. What I'm trying to do is get all of the salt and pepper mix evenly spread onto all the wings. Now it's time to plate your wings. I like to add my wings on top of each other. I don't know if you're excited, because I'm excited watching this and I want to eat these now. Sprinkle an extra little bit of salt and pepper mix. All that's left to do is just garnish them with your spring onions and your chilies, and voila. This would go so well as a starter, maybe some fried rice, noodles, whatever you like. You can also find me on Instagram, Shola J. If you do try this recipe, send me a picture, I love to see it. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and let me know what you want to see next, because I'm here, waiting.